Hi, this is my Flipgrid alternative video. I wanted to show you how you can make your own video and then post it on our Canvas site. So you can use probably anything from your own cell phone to this feature called Screentastic, or there are just other alternatives, but I'm using the Screencastic app. Anyway, a lot of the questions I ask you don't entirely apply to me, so I will just tell you a little bit about where I am with remote learning if you didn't get a chance to see my Flipgrid video. Basically, what I like about it so far, I do like the expansion of my pedagogical tools, as we would say. So it is sort of forcing me out of my comfort zone, and it's fun to experiment with things like Flipgrid, even though we might not always get it to work. So that's been good. It's also kind of nice to be able to get ready for class in one room and simply go to class by walking to another room in my house. Definitely cuts out the fight for faculty parking spots. But what I don't like about it so much is I would much rather be in person with all of you, although many of you are bringing the same sort of energy that I feel in in-person classes to our class. So I thank you for that. The other thing I'm sure you can see is the awkwardness of navigating and transitioning from one like website or screen share to another. I can be a little awkward, so thank you for bearing with me. It will get smoother, I'm sure. All right, I can't wait to see your videos or read your posts. Thank you.